As a top listing agent, I will make every effort to ensure your selling experience is as smooth and stress-free as possible. My team and I can get you from selling to sold, fast and for top dollar. Call me to schedule a free market consultation. Our free home buyer workshop is the first step, a must for buyers starting the home buying process. Some of the topics covered in our workshop are: programs, down payment assistance, credit scoring, mortgage credit requirements, mortgages, types of mortgage financing, property types, new home, SFR, condo, townhomes, land, etc. Real estate agents, different types of agents, home search, finding the right home with the right website, tips, why you sold him, T called the number on the sale sign. These are a few topics which will be covered in an active participation environment where you can ask as many questions as you like. You are also encouraged to share past experiences with a group. Seminars, normally